Hey, I only made you this powerful psychological hack video because you are in the top 1% of the most intelligent people on the planet. And hey, whoa, you're actually pretty good looking. What is this psychological hack that I'm talking about? It's called STT, or spontaneous trait transference. I know it sounds like a mouthful, but it's really simple. When you talk about others in positive ways, the people listening to you can't help but transfer those same traits to you. This is why people that talk negative and talk smack about people all the time never have any friends and nobody likes them. Feel free to compliment other people. Feel free to tell them that you think they're smart, they're intelligent, they can do anything. They're simultaneously going to transfer those traits to you. And it even works in the third person. If you're talking to somebody about somebody else, be more apt to say good things about that other person. It's going to evoke STT, spontaneous trait transfer, and they're going to think about the good things that you spoke about somebody else and you having those same traits. By the way, you are pretty good looking. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.